What demonstratives do? Demonstratives point to a person, animal, or thing. In English, the main demonstratives are this, that, these, and those. Example: This is my phone. Example: That is a big tree. Near and far. Use this and these for things that are near you. You can touch them, or they are close to you. Example: This cup is hot. Example: These keys are in my hand. Use that and those for things that are far from you. They are not close to your hand or body. Example: That house is very old. Example: Those birds are in the sky. Singular and plural. Use this and that with one person or one thing. They are singular demonstratives. Example: This dog is friendly. Example: That woman is my teacher. Use these and those with two or more people or things. They are plural demonstratives. Example: These apples are red. Example: Those cars are expensive. Demonstrative plus noun. A demonstrative can come before a noun. The noun tells us exactly what person or thing you mean. Example: This book is new. Example: Those shoes are dirty. After this and that, use a singular noun. After these and those, use a plural noun. Example: That chair is broken. Example: These chairs are clean. Demonstratives alone. A demonstrative can also stand alone. This is common when the object is clear in the situation. Example: This is delicious. Example: Those are my glasses. Use is with this and that. Use are with these and those. Example: That is my bicycle. Example: These are my pencils. Questions with demonstratives. To ask about one thing, use is this or is that. The answer often uses it. Example: Is this your bag? Example: Is that your school? To ask about more than one thing, use are these or are those. The answer often uses they. Example. Are these your socks? Example. Are those your children? Examples. This sandwich is fresh. That mountain is beautiful. These flowers smell nice. Those windows are open. This is my little sister. That is a police station. These are my new headphones. Those are old family photos. This lamp is on the desk. That train is very fast. These cookies are for the party. Those horses are in the field. Is this your red jacket? Is that the hospital? Are these your green towels? Are those your friends? Quiz. Choose an option. This. This is my blue notebook. Choose an option. That. That car is near the bank. Choose an option. These. These bananas are yellow. Choose an option. Those. Those stars are very bright. Choose an option. This. This cat is under the chair. Choose an option. These. These plates are on the table. Choose an option. That. That is my father's shop. Choose an option. Those. Those are my black boots. Choose an option. Is this? Is this your umbrella? Choose an option. Are these? Are these your tickets? Choose an option. Is that? Is that a museum? Choose an option. Are those? Are those your cousins?